The government has announced that this planned flight to Rwanda will stay grounded, at least for now. You're right. The government said earlier today that no matter what happened, this flight would be taking off, even if it meant only one passenger being on board. They said it would be worth it for the message it could send to people smugglers. But due to a number of decisions just in the last few minutes by the European Court of Human Rights, various cases gradually whittled that number down to almost zero, and the government ended up calling the flight off altogether. This, of course, is a plan from Boris Johnson to try to create a disincentive so that anyone who comes to the UK by boat could face the risk of being sent to Rwanda. It faced some pretty heavy criticism from people here. The UNHCR said that it was potentially illegal. The Church of England said it was immoral and was a great shame on Britain. Even Prince Charles was reported as saying that it was a terrible idea, but the Prime Minister is going to have to wait. So I don't think this is the end of it at all. For a start, there are some cases that still have to come before court, including a judicial review. That'll be here in the UK. That's when the UK government's decision and I guess the main legal reasons behind it are examined more. The Prime Minister kind of anticipated that this could happen earlier today when he said that he was so determined to see this policy take effect that he would be willing to change the law. We're still waiting to see some of the detail from the European Court of Human Rights. But, you know, this started out at being more than 100 asylum seekers who were going to be taken to Rwanda. Then it was into sort of double digits. Earlier today it was 7, then 6. I think about 25 minutes ago it was going to be 1 refugee, and now it's none at all. So certainly potentially a very embarrassing thing for the Prime Minister Boris Johnson, but I don't think he'll be deterred by this. I suspect he'll try to find a way to push on.